My name is Raffaele Andreozzi. I'm the Italian chef of the Sicilian restaurant in Mövenpick, Battuta. Today I will prepare a special dish named Fettucine with 7 herbs. The ingredients of the recipe are simple, are just olive oil, thyme, parsley, mint, dill, tarragon, sage and rosemary. A little bit of cream, a little bit of garlic. Okay, little bit of thyme, same amount of mint, parsley, dill, tarragon, rosemary and sage. This is enough for one portion. So you can see it's not much, but it's quite strong flavor. Now you're gonna chop it very fine. Now we continue chopping until it gets very fine. It will take little 2 minutes. Very important is very fine, otherwise you're gonna fill it in the sauce. But first we cook the pasta, because this sauce is take few seconds to prepare. So in the meantime you cook the pasta, you can prepare the sauce. That is very simple, just olive oil, little bit, garlic. When the garlic start to cook and become golden brown color, you add the herbs. You see the reaction of the herbs? You see? Now all the flavor of the herbs come out. A little bit of salt, and the recipe is already done. Now you finish to cook the pasta and you mix inside. And now we strain the pasta. Now we add the pasta inside the sauce. We cook it for a few seconds. We saute. At this stage we add a little bit of cream. And then with the tongs we just finalize. Now the pasta is ready, the consistency is just creamy and all the herbs are already inside the sauce. Now we plate it. Okay, now we plate it. I put 1 basil leaves and then we remove the ring. The 7 herbs fettuccine are ready, and I wait you in the 10th edition of the Italian Cuisine World Summit.